Yeah, good morning, everybody.
Morning, sir. Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Morning.
sir.
Okay, before going to start, there is a mail that I have received from the first year. And just I'm calling the name of the students if they are here in the class. Shariam Bora is there in the class. Shariam Bora. Shariam Bora, no. Ayush Sharma is there in the class. Ayush Sharma. Ayush Sharma. Bandaru Animesh. Bandaru Animesh. Mohit is there in the class. Mohit.
Yes, sir.
Mohit, have you registered on DMS?
Yes, sir. I
No,
already
the name is
registered.
coming that you have not registered yet.
Sir, I
Because
had
I
already registered.
you just check it. What's the problem? You talk to your TG.
Okay, sir.
And there's so many name of the section C there. Like Abhay Agarwal is there. Abhinav Prabhat. Subhaik Singh. Shivyash Gupta. Kathan Jhaveri. Okay, so you have to register today by any cost because tomorrow the list will be going to be the final. So make sure that you have to register today by the end. All right. So if still these people, Shriram Bora and Ayush Sharma is there? No. And I have added the new guys, new people. Though, 1 minute. It is coming. Hmm. Wait, because I'm going to take the name of that. The name of the people are I've just added. Every day I'm getting the list of the students. That's why the new student I received. This is first year TG, and because this is the important one also again. So okay. Hemant Chandak. Hemant
Yes,
Chandak,
sir.
you have registered.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Manshi Dharendra. Manshi Dharendra, not there. You have also added in your TG group, right? Okay, fine. So going to start. So I've given the so many questions. Now I'm going to start the new topic that is related to that one, and so that you will get a time 2 or 3 days to solve all these questions. The previous questions of 15 or 16 questions. Most of the questions are also related to the new topic. So the new topic, that is equation. Now see, this is the equation. Equations reducible to linear form, right? Linear
Sir,
form.
sir, just
Yeah.
doubt. Sir, yesterday I had sent the question about the hyperbolic functions on WhatsApp.
Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, I will give you the idea how to solve that one.
Sir, slide Atal.
Yes.
Sir, slide.
Slide. What slide?
Sir, actually,
Sir,
slide is not visible, which you are sharing.
They're not visible.
Sir, I'm not able to hear your voice or not able to see the whiteboard. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Wait,
Sir, it
wait.
happened
आवाज आ
with
रही
me
है.
in first class as well.
Everybody is there.
नेटवर्क
No?
इशू है आज.
हाँ वरुण, तेरी आवाज आ रही है मेरे को. नरेन जो भी है.
Yeah, don't talk, please. Talk to
नहीं आ रही
sir.
नहीं आ रही नहीं आ रही.
If anything else, you talk to me only.
Say screen is visible.
Yes, screen is visible. Somebody they are not,
But not me.
but it is visible because I'm sharing here. So some people are not able to see that one. So check your connectivity or other thing in that, right? Because from this side, I've already shared this. So equation reducible to linear form. Now come to this is called the Bernoulli equations. And what is the Bernoulli equations? You can write this very simple definition. The differential equation first, because the question have already solved. So now come to the formula or the systematic way to reduce the equation that is not in linear to make it in linear form. So the differential, when it is called the Bernoulli equation, the differential equation, the differential equation of the form this dy upon dx plus py, and this is equal to q into y to power n, where n is not equal to 1, and they call it equation number 1. Fine. Where p and q are function of x only or constant is called Bernoulli equation. So this is called the Bernoulli equation if it is in this form. Bernoulli equation, Bernoulli's equation. But the thing is that yesterday why I have solved this non-linear equation. Actually, that equations are not this in this form. That was in the non-linear form, but we have to make it in linear form directly. We have not applied any Bernoulli kind of the things because some the equations of the functions are also with dy by dx, some is y, and so this is the haphazard form of that equation. So we have to make it manage into the linear form, and then we have to solve that. But when the equation will be in this form, then this is x only, then or the constant p and q are the function of x or constant. So if the equation will be in the form of 1, then that equation is called the Bernoulli form. And if it is in this form, if it is Bernoulli form, it can be transformed into 1 minute. There is a call, please.
Sir, you are on mute.
हेलो.
अरे वो म्यूट हुए हैं जानबूझ के.
अरे वो कॉल पे
बताओ यार.
अभी तक लिख रहे हैं, लेकिन लिखने दो उनको.
मल्टीटास्क.
Okay. So by dividing y to power n and putting y power minus n plus 1, this is equal to v. So this is the way that we can transform the non-linear differential equation. Bernoulli form can be reduced into the linear form. So this is the way that now see when we can put y to power minus n plus 1, this is equal to v, then what will happen? How it is related to the Bernoulli form. So now come to the step 1 and step 2. So step 1, dividing dividing both side of the equation 1 by y to power n. So because here we have to make this cube free from y to power n, then this will be equal to y to power minus n dy by dx, and then plus p into y to power, this is 1 is there, so minus n plus 1, and this is equal to q. So this is equation number 2. Now see, this is still it is not in the linear form, but sometimes the questions was I have given in the last lecture directly in this form, in the form of 2, rather than rather than it is the form, but in the form of equation 2 I have given the questions. So now put this steps, I just call it step. So to put y to power minus n plus 1 equal to v. So this implies that when you differentiate it, what will you get? Minus n plus 1, then y to power minus n dy upon dx. This is equal to dv by dx. Correct now? Right? Now make it arrange this equation like this will be, we can write it or dv upon dx. Hello.
Sir.
Please.
Hello.
Yeah, dv by dx. Yeah. Yes. You want to say anything else? Or so now suppose you can write it like just to put this equation in that form from equation, or we can say from 2 directly. So this will be equal to this is y equal to n, so dy by dx will be, this is minus we can write like that. Okay, y to power minus n dy upon dx, this is equal to 1 by minus n plus 1 into dv by dx, right? So now from equation 2, from 2 this becomes dv upon dx and 1 by minus n plus 1, and then plus pv, and this is equal to q, or we can say that dv upon dx plus minus n plus 1, this is the constant, pv, and this is equal to minus n plus 1, again constant, into q, and this this equation is in the failure now, where the condition is n should not be equal to 1 because it make it q0. Okay, you can write it here, n not equal to 1, and this is equation number 3 is in linear form. Yeah, anything want to ask? Yeah, please tell me. Who want to ask? What is the problem? Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm able to hear your voice, but the whiteboard is flickering, sir. It's buffering, so it's coming very slow.
There is a network problem, might be there, but somebody are getting the right voice and the right video and right the screen sharing, and some people are not. That means there is a problem.
Physics may be problem.
Thina, so this is not the problem from my side, na? Fine. And the video will be uploaded. This lecture will be sharing, so you can also take off that. Otherwise, try to understand. Then otherwise, I will repeat the same thing when the in the next class also I will repeat, no problem. If there will be issue for the measure of the people, isn't it? So during when my lecture is going on, when I ask, then you tell me that, or you can ask, just raise your hand. In between the lecture, you don't ask anything else, right? You just raise your hand. I will ask what your problem. Satvik.
Sir, do we have to memorize this formula or do we have to solve the questions manually?
You can solve manually, no problem. No need to memorize. Simply the steps is just I am sharing here. The step is what? A step is if the equation is you just see that it is not in linear form. Now see the equation number one. Equation number one is like that. This is equation dy by dx plus py equal to q into y to power n. This q is the function of x, so this q must be free from y. Getting my point? This q must be free from y. That's why what I'm doing here, I just divide by y to power n by both sides of the equation. This q become free from y, but he will get here y to power minus n dy by dx and p, something like that. Now again, if this equation will in the form of equation 2, you just put y to power minus n plus 1. This is equal to v. So you change y in terms of v or t or z, something like that, and then this becomes a linear form in terms of x, and this equation will becomes x and v. So this equation becomes linear in x and v, x and v, where v is the dependent variable. So I have replaced y by v, and x is again remain be the independent variable. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So come to the problem, because so many questions are there. So come to the problem, that is reducible to homogeneous form, this linear form. So there are so many questions. Come to that. I have the selected questions, but okay. Come to the simple one first, then typical one next. So coming to that, question number one. Anyone has a doubt regarding this method of Bernoulli equation transform into the linear form? Anyone has the problem? Anyone has a doubt? Please raise your hand.
No, sir.
No. Okay, good. Now the question is solve. I will give you so many confusing question, that it might be possible that that question can be solved in many ways. Fine. So x square dy and then plus y into x plus y. When you go for the exact form, there will be more confusing. Now, so dx equal to 0. This is like an exact form, but actually it is in linear form. It's a simple cause. So we can change it to linear. So x square dy plus y into x plus y dx equal to 0. Now this question is given, but the chapter is going on. Which topic is going on? Bernoulli equation, so that you can apply your mind to transform this equation into the linear form. But if the things should be massive, and randomly if I will give this question number 1 and solve it, so there are many things will come in your mind. It's like it is a homogeneous equation, right? It is a homogeneous equation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It is homogeneous
Yes.
equation. Okay.
Yes.
And when you go for the exactness of the equation, exact form, next time I will start in the next lecture. Again, it indicates the exactness of the equation, kind of like that. So it should be a confusing for that. So that depends upon your mind, that which way that you can solve that equations, right? So when the things are the fundamental thing will be clear, directly roughly you can check. Yeah, this question can be solved by this method. Fine. So how to solve? Come to the solution part, and this equation will be write it like that, in that form. You can write in that form. So try. You simply write
Sir, why? Sir, my
yes.
raise the hand option is not visible. Only put me hold, turn on live caption, all these things available, but raise your hand option is not showing in my this
Okay,
one.
no issue. Have a patience. It will be who is calling?
Sir, Ayush.
Ayush. No issue. You can, if there is a problem in the network, next time you can ask.
No, sir, it's not a problem. Sir, it was showing yesterday and day yesterday. Today is not showing. Raise your hand. Everything is clear.
So this is the some technical. Yeah, Neha, you want to ask?
Sir, I'm done.
You done? Very simple
Yes.
question. Huh? So in the very good, Neha. So simply just I'm writing x square dy plus yx dx. So when you write this equation dy upon dx, so this will be equal to yx upon x square, so y by x, y square upon x square. This is minus sign. Now this is in the Bernoulli form or not? Yes, it is in the Bernoulli form.
Yes.
So I just
Yes.
divide both side by y square. All right. So just I'm dividing by both side by y square. So you can get the in one. So this will be y to power minus 2 dy by dx, and then plus dividing by y square. This is the 1 by y and then into x, or we call it just you can write like this, y to power minus and then upon x, and this is equal to minus 1 by x square. Now equation number 2. Let y to power minus 1, this part will taking as a v. So when you differentiate, we'll get what is that? Minus y to power minus 2 dy upon dx equal to dv by dx. So from 2 you take it with the minus sign. This will be minus of dv upon dx and then plus 1 by x. Sorry, this is what? This is v by x equal to minus 1 by x square. Taking the sign dv upon dx minus v upon x equal to 1 by x square. This is equation number 3. Is linear form, linear differential equation? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So when you compare with the p and q here, comparing dy by dx, dv by dx plus px equal to q. So p is what? Py, sorry, no, pv, pv equal to q. So p equal to what? Minus 1 by x and q is 1 by x square. What is integrating factor, Neha? E to power integration of
I got the integration factor as 1 by x. Yes, sir.
this is the log of x, right? So this is the e to power log of x to power minus 1 equal to x to power minus 1 by x, correct? No? The required solution is this v, you're integrating this dependent variable is v into integrating factor 1 by x and then equal to integration of q, and q is what? Q is 1 by x square and then into integrating factor 1 by x dx plus c. Very simple. Integration of x to power minus 3 dx and then plus c. So finally what you are getting the answer?
Sir, it's
What is
minus
v?
1 by x square.
Yeah.
1 by y.
Who is saying y? V is what?
V is equal to 1 by y.
1 by x. This is equal to what? X to power minus 2 upon minus 2 plus c, right? We can write it like this, 1 by yx or 1 by y, or we can say y equal to like that, right? Equal to minus x minus 1 by 2x squared plus. Getting this answer?
Yes, sir.
This answer.
Yes, yes,
So
sir.
this is the okay, fine. So I'm giving you a good question. So are you ready, everybody? Everybody is ready? Yeah. Anyone has a doubt? Anyone has a doubt? Raise your hand, please, in the question that I have solved. Anyone has a doubt? अभी जो क्वेश्चन किया मैंने, present question. Anyone has a doubt? You can ask.
सर ये होमोजीनियस से भी कर सकते थे ना?
You try, na? Try. Can we solve? Can you have the same answer? Yeah, Neha, can you solve it by homogeneous equation? Try. Try. What is the problem is coming out? Otherwise, you're getting the same answer. What is the way that we can solve the homogeneous equation? Akshansh? Akshansh? Ananmaya? Yeah, Aksh Naik.
Hello.
Yeah, Aksh.
Yes, sir. I was saying that, सर जहाँ तक आपने लीनियर इक्वेशन लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन बना दिया वहाँ से तो समझ आ गया सर, उससे पहले का जो मतलब बर्नौली वाला थोड़ा मेरे को समझ नहीं आया.
अच्छा ठीक है. सोनम. सोनम.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can solve by homogeneous one method, but we are not getting the same answer.
You are able to solve?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर, homogeneous से भी हो रहा है.
No equation, no issue. The equation will be y in terms of x. When you put the value of x, you will get the same answer, right? In the numerical form, you will get the same value.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Hello, sir. Please last time can you share your whiteboard again, sir? It's buffering a lot.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no issue. I am going to share again.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, check. Okay. Just I am going to report this part and the whole procedure I'm going to repeat. Right? See, everybody. If the differential equation is dy by dx plus py equal to q into y to power n, and here p and q are the function of x only or the constant, and we are multiplying with the here q is not free from y. So in this form, if the equation will be in this form, we call it is in the Bernoulli form, right? So first we have to divide this. We make the q free from y. We divide this equation by y to power n. So equation 1 reduced into the equation number 2. Now see, equation 2, it will be reduced into the y when you divide by y to power n. So this is y to power minus n, p y to power minus n plus 1 equal to q. So now q is free from y. Equation number 2. Now if the equation will be in this form, it is easy to make it linear form, linear differential equation. We can do that. So just simply the y to power minus n plus 1, whatever the value at with the p, that is we take it as a v. So this y to power minus n plus 1 equal to v, I'm just putting it. Then when you differentiate, this equation 2 will be rearranged. Now see, minus n plus 1 y to power minus n dy by dx equal to dv by dx, or y to power minus n dy by dx equal to this side, it will go this side. So 1 by minus n plus 1 dv by dx. So from 2, when you put this value, this y to power minus n dy by dx here when you put this and replacing y to power minus n plus 1 by v, so it equation 2 reduce into this form, dv by dx plus minus n plus 1 pv. V is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable, n is the constant, and n should not be equal to 1. Now this equation 3 is in the linear form, right? So simply what, you just find the integrating factor and then find the solution. Make it sense? Those who have asked this question, Aksh Naik.
Yes, sir, got it, sir.
Okay. So similarly, question number 1, see question number 1, this is looking like a homogeneous, can be solved. I'm putting it into the non-homogeneous form. So dy by dx plus y by x equal to minus y square by x square. When you rearrange this question, you will get the equation number 1. Now you see that it is in Bernoulli form. You can put y square, divide by y square. So make it this part free from x square, free from this y square. So just dividing by y squared, this equation becomes y to the power minus 2 divided by dx plus y to the power minus 1, and then divide by x equal to minus 1 by x squared. This is equation 2. It can be reduced into the linear form. So see, this I just put what is the this is in place of v is there. So just I put y to power minus 1 equal to v. So this is in this form. So when you put in equation 2 become equation 3, and this will be in the linear form. So linear form, if it is linear form, then it's very easy to find. You just take it integrating factor, because v is the integrating. This is your what is called the v is your dependent variable. So I just using this integrating factor e to power minus e to power integration of p dx, right? P dx. So p is what? P is there. This is minus 1 by x. So minus 1 by x. So your integrating factor is 1 by x. Now the required solution is y into integrating factor, or v is the dependent variable, v into 1 by x equal to this one. This is your q, and into integrating factor, and then dx plus c. Now replace y, v equal to 1 by y, and then you get the answer. Make it sense?
Thank you.
Okay. Come to the actually there is a problem in the screen also here also. Sometimes it is unable to move. So write the question number 2 here. Solve, and you have to raise your hand. X dy upon dx plus y log y, this is equal to x y e to power x. Solve this question. X divided by dx plus y log y equal to x y e to power x. Good question. When you solve, please raise your hand. Yeah, anyone?
सर इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर क्या है?
Your integrating factor is
So integrating factor
x only.
Six.
Okay, so many
Yes,
people
sir.
solved this question because it's a very simple question. Okay, now let's come to one by one. I have to ask Priyanshu Gupta.
Sir, x log y equals to e की power x bracket में x minus 1 plus c.
Good. Right question. Right answer. So I'm writing the answer here. X log y equal to x into e to power x minus e to power x. Also we can write like that. No answer. Make please check your answer. Compare it. Yes. Kadam Tripathi. This is the right answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Neonika. You got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Jalaj?
Yes, sir. The
Neha?
same answer.
Neha?
सर एक बार आप इस क्वेश्चन की थोड़ी अप्रोच
Yes,
बता
sir.
दोगे क्या?
अप्रोच बताना है?
मतलब मुझसे हुआ नहीं है, तो आप थोड़ा सा बता दोगे क्या?
आप देखो यहाँ पे इस इक्वेशन को एक्स वाई से डिवाइड कर दो, बोथ साइड। आपका जो क्वेश्चन है एक्स वाई वाई डी लॉग एक्स वाई, इस क्वेश्चन को आप एक्स वाई से डिवाइड कर लीजिए पूरे दोनों साइड से, फिर देखिए क्या हो रहा है। डिवाइड करके देखिए क्या बन रहा है।
एक सेकेंड।
क्यों एक्स वाई से बोला मैंने?
1/y dy by dx plus log y by x is equal to e की पावर x
प्लस 1 बाई log y इक्वल टू एक्स है ना, एक्स ई टू पावर एक्स। ठीक है,
तो सिर्फ e की पावर x आएगा।
हाँ ठीक है, एक्स ई टू पावर एक्स। आप मुझे ये बताइए, आपको अगर मैं ये बोलता कि इस क्यू, ये क्यू बनाना है इसको क्यू, और इसको फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स ही रखना है, तो आप क्या करते हैं? सिर्फ वाई से डिवाइड करते ना? वाई से डिवाइड करते कि नहीं करते? अगर
हाँ,
वाई
हाँ।
से डिवाइड करते तो यहाँ पे वाई से डिवाइड करते तो क्या ये एक्स फ्री होता? नहीं होता ना?
हाँ, नहीं होता।
तो फिर बर्नौली फॉर्म में नहीं है अभी इक्वेशन, है ना, इसलिए मैंने एक्स वाई से डिवाइड किया ताकि ये एक्स खत्म हो जाए और वाई आ जाए। फाइन।
हाँ।
चलो अब हो जाएगा।
हाँ।
ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आई एम राइटिंग हियर, सिंपल क्वेश्चन। sec x tan y minus e to power x sec x tan y minus e to power x dx plus sec x sec square x, sorry, sec square y, sec x sec square y and then dy equal to 0. Solve. Simple question. सॉल्व हो जाए आप मुझे बताइए जरूर। Yeah, Mayank, have you solved? Mayank?
No, sir, I'm still doing it.
Yeah, please mute. Okay, Neha. Neha,
So
what
I
is the
got the
answer?
answer.
Yeah,
Huh?
बताइए बताइए.
Secant x tan y is equal to e power x plus c.
Yashvardhan.
So same answer. Sec x tan y equal to e की power h plus c.
Okay, next देखते हैं भी और लोगों का. Okay, Priyanshu Gupta.
So same answer.
Okay, how will you do this question? How will you do?
So we will open the brackets first and then take the
What
sec
is the
x.
integrating factor?
So I'm not taking the integrating factor.
You are solving
Wait a second.
non-linear differential equation, na? I'm asking. Only the answer is that. Suppose anybody has tell me the answer, you can repeat that answer also. How to check it? You tell me what is the integrating factor. Which method you have applied? Yes, Priyanshu. Which method you have applied?
Question by rearranging them.
Any method you have applied, non-linear or homogeneous, anything else?
No, sir.
So how you solve this question without any method or without comparing with any? How you got the answer? Yeah, anyone? You make it into the non-linear form first. Yes, anyone? Only Neha and Yashwardhan have given the answer. Yashwardhan, what is the integrating factor?
So I am not solved by the integrating factor.
But I
So
am.
integrating factor is e to the power x.
Which method we are going on?
Sir, integrating factor is sin x.
Factor is sin x. Neha?
The integrating factor is secant x.
Yes, she's right. The method we are going on, that we have to follow that first. Then the another method that can be solved, you can apply yourself. But the first is that it is a Bernoulli equation is going on. Na? So apply to that method so that you have to concentrate on that method. Yeah, Jalaj.
Sir, I'm getting okay, sir. I have done a mistake in the integration factor.
Okay, Bhavya. Bhavya Gupta.
Integrating factor is second.
Sec x. Okay, what is the equation before that? Sec x before that, what is the equation?
dv by dx plus v tan x is equal to e raised to power x upon sec x.
Good, very good. Divij.
Sir.
Fine. Have you got the answer?
Sir, I'm getting sec x tan y is equal to ex plus c.
Okay. I'm writing the answer. Neha, you are right. The answer is tan y into sec x equal to e to power x plus c. Correct, na? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So I'm writing the question for the practice.
Yes, sir.
Question number dy by dx minus tan y upon 1 plus x. This is equal to 1 plus x e to power x sec y. Question number 5. Question number 5. Come to some selected questions. Question 5 is dy by dx and then plus 1 by x tan y equal to 1 by x square sin square y upon cos y. So I think 15-16 questions are already given. Okay, question number 6. dy by dx, this is equal to 1 by xy x square y square plus 1. All right, it is I think it is enough for you because more questions I've already given in the previous class.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir, can you please solve question 3 a little bit?
question number 3.
Yes, I also need.
What's the problem there in that question? Question number 3, sec x tan y.
Yes, sir. So I'm not able to get it in the form of the Bernoulli equation.
Okay, question number 3, solution. Now see, I'm just using that one. That question is sec x tan y minus e to power. Fine. So just to write this equation in this form. Sec, and then tan x is there in the bracket, and then tan y is also in the bracket, minus e to power x, right? So the dx is there, you can write it plus sec x sec square y and then dy by dx equal to 0. Can we write now? Or I'm just taking this part y, so sec square y dy by dx. So this will be just suppose I'm dividing by that sec x, so this will be equal to minus this will be okay, so just sec x is there, na sec x will cancel, so this will be plus tan x and tan y, and then minus sign, this will goes to here, and this will be divided by sec x, means cos x and e to power x. You can write it like this, into e to power x. Now in the Bernoulli form, or it is in the linear form, we can do that na, this sec square y divided by dx per tan x
Sir?
tan y. Yeah,
सर इसमें अपन sec h tan y का डेरिवेटिव लेके भी तो कर सकते हैं ना, वो मैंने जैसे किया राइट हैंड साइड के बराबर आ जाएगा.
कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. इसमें tan y को आप
नहीं
tan
सर,
y,
sec h tan y का डेरिवेटिव ले लेंगे तो अपन जो आपने क्वेश्चन दिया ना वही वैल्यू आ जाती है, तो फिर
yes,
उससे आपको कोई सा लगाने की फॉर्मूले जरूरत ही नहीं है.
ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, और tan y इक्वल टू 0 कर लीजिए एंड देन यू कैन सॉल्व.
सर वहाँ पे
Okay,
x कैसे आया राइट हैंड साइड में x
यस सर, x कैसे आया?
नहीं, x नहीं है, ये है cos x, चलो
Cos
मिट गया,
x, yes.
cos x.
सर sec स्क्वायर y से डिवाइड करके भी तो सर उसको पुट करके cos स्क्वायर y को पुट करके फिर
Many ways you can do that, but what I am doing here, this is one of the way that you can solve it. Yes, so when you put tan y equal to z, you will get like dz upon dx plus z tan x, and this is equal to e to power x cos x. Now it is in linear form. Fine. Okay, you can solve this question. Yeah, Diviz.
Yes, sir.
Diviz.
yes sir,
Okay, is it okay?
yes sir.
Diviz, please change your this photo that you are using here, and as a this is a very bad photo, ना? It's not good. Look, screen पे थोड़ा अच्छा होना चाहिए ना, photo smiling morning में है ना, ठीक है? Please change. Okay. Be positive every time. So should I stop here? Yes. Hello.
yes sir.
yes.
Okay, so thank you very much, buddy. Today I will not interact because of some other issue. Assignments are there we have. So on
Sir,
Monday,
once show the questions, all questions at once.
which
That slide.
questions?
The questions you gave today.
Okay, you have not written.
Sir, written one thing, one only I left.
Okay, now write. No issue.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
अभी तक स्क्रीन नहीं है
थैंक यू सर।
अरे गए सर।
किसी और को बढ़ाना
Hello.